Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't play with words. Don't play with words. वह अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. He talks strange. कोई नहीं आया. Nobody came. Nobody came. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. मेरा मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. आपको क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? सीधे बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. आपका गुस्सा जायज़ है. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. मुझे दोनों पसंद हैं. I like both. I like both. ये होना ही था. This had to happen. This had to happen या फिर it had to happen. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me या फिर it is a big deal for me. बहुत समय पहले. A long time ago. A long time ago. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. तमीज से बात करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this only. You deserve this only. क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? गाइस अगर आप और पोलाइट बोलना चाहो तो आप कैन की जगह पे कुड का यूज़ भी कर सकते हो. Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Even the walls have ears. Even the walls have ears. मैं हिल भी नहीं सकता. I can't even move. I can't even move या फिर even I can't move. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Just a little more. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. क्या वे वही हैं? Are they same? Are they same? मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. वह रास्ते में है. He is on the way. He is on the way. दूरी बनाए रखो. Keep distance. Keep distance. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me?